2018 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.